I just want to make a few points about Ethernet cabling here. Now, we have mentioned already that Ethernet is not necessarily twisted pair like we think of it today. It can also occur over coax cable, for example, or other types of cable such as fiber. So just a few points about Ethernet cabling that we should look at. One has to do with terminology. You're going to see terms like this, 10 base 2. 10 base 2 means 10 megabits per second. By the way, the base just means baseband, and that's just a standard so that we know that no matter what type of cable we're reporting, we're talking about the same type of communication across of it, a baseband communication. And then 2 refers to thin coax cable. So 10 megabits per second over thin coax cable. You might see this one, 10 base 5, which is 10 megabits per second over thick coax cable. Base 5 stands for, or I should say the 5 stands for thick coax cable. Here's a common one. You might see something like 100 base T, 100 megabits per second over twisted pair. Now there are many, many others of these things, and so you might want to take a look at them. You can just go to Wikipedia and look up IEEE 802 for a few of them. And I will also put this link in the description of the video. The twisted pair length is limited to 100 meters no matter what the speed. And in fact, it's quite common if you go to Fry's or some other computer store and you want to pick up a bunch of cable to find it in 100 meter rolls, because 100 meters is the maximum limit for twisted pair cable. I don't care if it's Cat 4, Cat 5, Cat 6, or what it is, it's 100 meters. Coax cable, we've already mentioned this before, is half duplex because it doesn't have those many pairs of wires in it, so it's half duplex. Ethernet over twisted pair is full duplex. It has 2 sets or 2 pairs of wires, so it's capable of communication in both directions at the same time. And our final point is that twisted pair categories, Cat 3, Cat 5, Cat 5e, Cat 6, and so on, refer to the tested quality of the cable, not to specific physical characteristics. So in other words, it doesn't refer, you can't say, well, 5 has X number of twists per inch and 6 has Y number of twists per inch. You can't say that because the standard, the category standard, does not have to do with the physical characteristics. It has to do with the performance of that particular type of cable. So that's it for this brief overview of Ethernet cabling. There's a lot more we could say about it. We could make an entire course on it if we wanted to, but those are the points that we want to make for this course.